Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add a product to an collections on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. Hold 1 minute. In order to add product to your collection, you have to click on products and click on collections. So as you can see, I have created some collection here and I want to add a product to this collection, new summer collection. So I'm going to my product section and I'm opening this product and scroll down, and to the right hand side you will find here collection option. So click the collection box and you will get here the list of collections you created on your account. So I'm going to selecting here my collection where I want to add this product, and here you can see the collection has been added. Then click on save. So this was how we can add products to a collection on Shopify.